Hey, what's up guys? Today I am here with a complete Lamborghini Murcielago drivetrain I'm looking to sell. Low mileage, only 9,000 miles, really clean, and I'm selling it as a complete unit. The